Hey, nice to see you. Today I'm going to show you how to get your verification check on Facebook and how to get your verification check on Instagram. This sounds like something you want to learn? Let's get going. Okay, so I am so excited about this verification or how to get verified on Facebook and how to get verified on Instagram. So, why would you want to do that? Let's go through the benefits you get when you are verified. How much does being verified on Facebook and on Instagram cost? And how to do the process. Of course, if you want to skip to things, don't forget, I always put the chapters below so you can get to the parts that you want most. All right, so let's get going. Now, introducing Meta Verified. Whether you like it or not, I love this because there is one benefit on here that I'm so excited about. Can't wait to share it. So let's get going. First of all, it's important to know that right now, it's only available in the United States and in Australia and New Zealand, and for people over 18. The other thing is this is not available for businesses or places. So this is only going to be available for personal profiles, and that includes personal profiles on Instagram and on Facebook. So keep that in mind. If you're watching this, couple months pass, I know it's going to roll out for businesses at some point. Always check my comments because I post updated videos there. So if it is, just check the comments to see if it's been pinned, and because when it rolls out, I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, here are the 4 things that I particularly like. First of all, it helps people to know, of course, that it's really you. You've passed the verification check, which basically for the US, and can't answer to Australia and New Zealand. I'm assuming it's about the same, where you have to provide your government ID. And we'll get into the types of government ID that you need to get verified a little later. And like it says, features can vary by region. So understand that I'm speaking from the United States point. Verification. So government ID, because it's going to compare you, and then you get exclusive features. So we get stories, we get new stickers for stories and Facebook Reels, and you get 100 stars a month so you can show support for your creators. So this is really kind of cool. So if you've noticed, if you look on Reels now, you can say give stars to, you can do that, and you get 100 a month that you can make it rain to your favorite creators, right? And also you get proactive protection. And this is what I like because it enforces or makes everybody do the 2-factor authentication. So in other words, even to get verified, you have to make sure you set up your account with 2-factor authentication. And don't worry about it because they walk you through the step if you're unsure how to do that. But here's the one that I love: direct account support, which is basically live chat account support. How many times have you said, I would love to just ask a real person, although I don't know if it's going to be a real person. For the most part, you might get to a real person. Initially, it's probably going to be a bot, but who cares? You have someone that you can reach out to on Facebook. How amazing is that? So those are the 4 reasons why you might want to get verified on Facebook and the benefits of being verified on Instagram and Facebook. All right, let's talk about prices. All right, so because Instagram is app-based only, you have to do your subscription through your app store of whatever phone you have. So if you have an Apple, you have to go to the Apple App Store. If you have Android, you're gonna go through the Google Play. I don't know if this is rolled out to Microsoft, but that's basically why the pricing is different. So, and of course, because Instagram is an app only, you have to process that payment through those stores, and it's $14.99 a month for that. So if you're going to get verified on Instagram, the price for Instagram verification is $14.99 a month. If you're going to just get your Facebook profile, again, your personal Facebook profile, it's $11.99 a month, and there's a whole separate way to do that. But of course, I'm going to show you how. So let's get started. Okay, to get to the process of verification for Instagram, you're going to open up your Instagram account, come to your profile, and then right over there, you're going to see where you have those 3 dashes. Click that and you'll see this menu. Then in the menu that pops up, you're going to click settings. And that's where the fun begins. And here's how to do it on desktop for only your Facebook personal profile. So you're going to go into your profile and you see up at the top there, your nice little picture. You're going to see settings and privacy. You want to select that. And then when you get to the settings and privacy menu, you're going to scroll all the way down to where it says Meta Accounts Center, which you can see it here over to my right, left, whatever that is for you. And then you will see this screen where you should see Meta Verified at the very bottom. Click that and it'll show you the accounts that are eligible or are not eligible right now for the Facebook verification process. All right, so I accidentally deleted a whole bunch of stuff, so I'm going to preempt this next section, which is once you go through the how to get to the account center, once you go through that on your app or desktop, this next part is how you then go through the process of paying for the subscription and moving forward. This is what you're going to see. You're going to see the Meta Verified section because you got into that, and it's going to tell you what accounts that you put in your account center that will be available for verification. Select the account that you want, Facebook or Instagram. Again, it's going to be two different prices, and then set up your payment, which basically would be your payment through your app store. It was a little tricky for me on this one because it made it look like it was Instagram, but really it is your App Store password. So just a little tip there for you. And then you're going to upload your ID. And of course, if you've ever done any type of verification with a government ID, it's pretty much the same process. So you should be good to go. And so here's the other thing. If you really want to be the first to know when it's available for verification in your region, here is the wait list. I'm going to put this link in the description of this video below. And if you want to go ahead and fill out your name, I got an email because I tested this out just to see what it was about. You can see here, join the wait list is right on that front part. Again, I'll put this link in the video description below, and you can be the first to know when Facebook verification and Instagram verification comes to your region. All right, if this helped you out, I appreciate a thumbs up. And if you're a subscriber, thanks again. Great to see you. I'll see you again in the next video.
Popping bottle champagnes all night, running up your mouth like it's all fine. She looking like a in a skirt tight. 또 뭔데 자꾸 어쩌고저쩌고 입을 놀리는 거야. 너 혹시나 예쁘다고 질투하는 거야? 그래봤자 타격감은 1도 없을 텐데 시크하고 유니크한 거 그게 나야.